Okay students, in this video we are going to discuss angle sum property of quadrilateral. So what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is the closed figure made up of 4 line segment. Clear? So for that quadrilateral we have to state its angle sum property and then we have to prove it. So first we have to prove the first we have to write the statement. So statement angle sum property of quadrilateral. So the statement is the sum of angles of quadrilateral or you can also write the sum of measure of angles of quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Angle sum property of triangle says that the sum of measure of all the angles of triangle is always 180 degree, while the angle sum property of quadrilateral says that the sum of measures of angle of quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Done? So this is the statement. And now we have to prove this statement. So angle sum property of quadrilateral is there. So for diagram we need to draw one quadrilateral. Suppose this is one quadrilateral ABCD. Say this one is one quadrilateral closed figure made up of 4 line segments. So ABCD is the quadrilateral. So here given ABCD is the given quadrilateral. So ABCD is given quadrilateral. ABCD is the given quadrilateral. To prove, here we have to prove that sum of all the angles of this quadrilateral, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. The sum of measure of all 4 angles equal to 360 degree. That we have to prove. Now construction. Now to prove this angle sum property of quadrilateral, we will use the angle sum property of triangle, and to apply that angle sum property of triangle in this quadrilateral we have to draw one diagonal. So let's join this diagonal AC. So draw diagonal AC. This is our construction. Draw diagonal AC. So by drawing this diagonal AC, our quadrilateral is now divided into 2 triangles. Triangle 1 and this one is triangle 2. Triangle DAC and triangle CAB. Triangle DAC and triangle ABC are the 2 triangles. Done? So let's start with the proof. Proof of this theorem. So first consider this triangle DAC, or we can say ADC or CAD, whatever it is. So in triangle DAC, first triangle, according to angle sum property we can say that measure of angle D plus this one angle DAC plus this angle ACD equal to 180 degree. That is by angle sum property of triangle. According to angle sum property of triangle, sum of measure of all the angle of triangle is 180 degree. Say this one as a result number 1. This is result number 1. Now Now consider second triangle. So in triangle, our DAC is the first triangle, second triangle is triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, again we can apply angle sum property of triangle. This angle A, so writing this angle A is a BAC. So angle BAC plus angle B plus, writing this C as a BCA. Angle BCA equal to 180 degree. Again same reason, angle sum property of the triangle. Say this one as a result number 2. Done. So to prove angle sum property of the quadrilateral, we have to consider one diagonal. So the diagonal will divide our quadrilateral into two triangles, and then we have to apply angle sum property of triangle separately for this both the triangle, and then we have to consider the addition of these two results. So now third step, adding result 1 and result 2. So for the left hand side, we have to consider the addition of these three angles with these three angles, and on the right hand side it's a 180 plus 180, that will be equal to 360 degree. So this one is angle D plus angle BAC plus angle ACD plus angle BAC plus angle B plus angle BCA equal to 360 degree. Now we have to consider the simplification of this addition. Angle D as it is, angle B as it is. Now angle DAC and BAC, what is the addition of these two angles? Angle BAC and angle BAC. DAC and BAC. So sum of these two angles is angle A. Done. So BAC and DAC equal to angle A, and consider these two angles. Angle ACD क्यों लिखा है? AC angle D, angle ACD and angle BCA. ACD and BCA. So that is equal to angle C. Done. So angle D as it is, this one angle A plus this one is angle C and this one is angle B equal to 360 degree. So it's angle A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360 degree, and it proves sum of measure of all the angles of quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down.